If you're growing Christmas cactus like this but it never seems to bloom, then today's video is for you. Christmas cactus is one of the most popular ornamental plants thanks to its vibrant flowers with striking colors. However, many people find that although the plant stays healthy, continuously produces new shoots, and develops new branches, it rarely blooms. This is one of the most common problems faced by Christmas cactus growers. In today's video, I'll share how to care for and nourish the plant using simple ingredients that are easy to find in your kitchen to help it grow vigorously, stimulate bud formation, and bloom more consistently. If applied correctly, you'll have the chance to enjoy spectacular clusters of flowers covering the entire plant during every blooming season. If you love ornamental plants and want to learn more useful plant care tips, be sure to watch today's video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss the latest guides. Now, let's get started. First, when growing a Christmas cactus, you need to pay special attention to its nutrition. To encourage regular bud formation and flowering, the plant needs a higher amount of potassium and phosphorus during the pre-bloom stage. These two nutrients play a very important role in bud formation, helping the flowers develop more vigorously, produce brighter colors, and remain in bloom for a longer time. On the other hand, if the plant receives too much nitrogen, it will continuously produce new leaves and branches, but will have great difficulty forming flower buds. That's why today I'll show you how to make a simple organic fertilizer to help your Christmas cactus bloom more successfully. To make today's fertilizer for the Christmas cactus, I'll use banana peels. Normally, after eating a banana, many people throw the peel away. However, banana peels contain a relatively high amount of natural potassium, which is one of the key nutrients that helps stimulate flower bud formation and supports healthier flower development. I'll cut the peel from one ripe banana into small pieces so the nutrients can be extracted more easily. In addition, this method helps shorten the extraction time while producing a more stable solution that is easier to use in the following plant care steps. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then place all of the pieces into a clean glass. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water. The hot water will help release the nutrients from the banana peels into the solution more quickly. The next ingredient I'm using is coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain phosphorus and trace minerals that are beneficial to plants. These are also among the nutrients needed for bud formation and flower development that I mentioned earlier in the video. I'll add about 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds together with the banana peels. Then stir the mixture thoroughly and allow the ingredients to steep for 3 hours, giving the nutrients from both the banana peels and the coffee grounds time to gradually dissolve into the water, creating a simple but very useful organic fertilizer for the Christmas cactus. After about 3 hours, once the water has cooled completely, use a strainer to remove all of the solids, keeping only the liquid. At this point, the nutrients from the banana peels and coffee grounds have been extracted into the solution, creating a simple organic fertilizer for the plant. Strain it thoroughly to remove all remaining particles, making the solution cleaner and preventing it from clogging the growing medium or leaving residue on the plant during use. After straining, I'll dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water. Diluting the solution helps the plant absorb the nutrients more gently while reducing the risk of nutrient buildup with regular use. Now we have a solution rich in natural potassium and phosphorus. Method 1. Pour the solution into a clean spray bottle. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. Then spray it evenly around the canopy, stems, and the surface of the growing medium. When applied as a fine mist, the nutrients will coat the plant evenly and gradually be absorbed through the stems, leaves, and the root zone near the surface of the growing medium. However, only apply a light mist, just enough to moisten the plant. Do not spray so much that water remains on the plant for an extended period. The best time to do this is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when temperatures are not too high. I usually apply this method about 1 to 2 times per month during the period when the plant is preparing to form flower buds to support healthy growth and improve its flowering potential. Method 2. Pour the solution into a watering can, then water evenly around the base of the plant. Water slowly so the solution can soak evenly throughout the entire root zone, where the plant absorbs most of the water and nutrients needed for growth and flower bud formation. The natural nutrients from the banana peels and coffee grounds will gradually be absorbed by the roots, supporting healthier plant growth and helping the plant store energy for the flowering stage. For mature Christmas cactus plants, I usually apply this organic fertilizer about once every 2 weeks during the growing season. Be careful not to apply too much at one time. Simply moisten the growing medium evenly so the plant can absorb the nutrients effectively. Combining proper watering with suitable lighting will help the plant develop a balanced shape, produce more flower buds, and display even more spectacular blooms in the future. Because this is a very gentle organic fertilizer, it can be used not only for Christmas cactus but also for many other plants in your garden. Flowering plants, potted plants, and even many indoor plants can also benefit from this natural source of nutrients. The potassium from the banana peels combined with the phosphorus and trace minerals in the coffee grounds will help plants grow more vigorously, improve flower bud formation, and support natural flowering. However, this is only a supplemental nutrient source, so you should use it at an appropriate frequency and combine it with proper plant care to achieve the best results. Using only ingredients that are often thrown away in the kitchen, we can create a simple, economical, and environmentally friendly organic fertilizer for our garden. Results: After a period of regular care and consistent nutrient supplementation, you'll begin to see small flower buds appearing at the tips of the branches. At first, the buds will be very small, but within a few weeks they will grow rapidly and become increasingly noticeable. This is a sign that the plant has stored enough energy and nutrients to enter the flowering stage. Continue maintaining consistent care, providing sufficient light, and watering properly, and these buds will gradually grow larger and bloom into beautiful flowers. When the plant enters its blooming period, you'll be rewarded with stunning clusters of flowers covering the branch tips with vibrant, eye-catching colors. That is the well-deserved reward for the patience and care you've given the plant throughout the entire growing process. This is an effective way to supplement nutrients and encourage your Christmas cactus to form buds and bloom more successfully. However, if your plant is already very lush, with long, dense branches but still refuses to bloom, the cause may not be nutrition alone. In that case, proper pruning also plays a very important role by helping the plant concentrate its energy, develop a more attractive shape, and stimulate flower bud formation. In today's video, I focused only on using organic fertilizer to support flowering. If you're interested in learning how to prune a Christmas cactus so it stays neat, balanced, and produces more flowers, leave a comment below the video. I'll make a separate video demonstrating each pruning and shaping step in detail in the near future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.